Welcome back to the channel. If you have not yet liked, share, and subscribe, please do it so that it will be helpful for me to do more and more videos like this. If you feel my videos are a bit slow, you can go for a play speed and you can choose for a 2 and 1.5 so that it will be faster also. Okay, you can learn a lot of topics from my videos. Okay, if you go to this my channel, if you go to the channel playlist, you'll be getting 4 different types of playlist: trading topics, the features, also hedging options, features and options, hedging strategies also I have discussed, and also a lot of strategies with the sensible paper trading also I have discussed. You can check it out, and also if you wanted to invest in US stock market, that is also available here. You can check it out all these playlist. Let's jump into the topic. So today we will see how to withdraw the funds from vested finance. Basically, you need to go for a transfer funds. Then you need to select the bank, particular bank which you have added. I have given the details on the screenshot because I don't want to disclose my personal details. Okay, so these are the details you need to fill it out. Bank account details, and then resident details and IFSC code, account number. All this data will be already saved when you have created account. Okay, let's see. Let's continue this one. Currently, I do have around 2390. That comes around 2,09,000 rupees in an Indian currency. So I want to withdraw all of my 2390 dollars to my Indian bank account because see, I'm seeing a lot of worth in the stock market. Maybe that is the reason I'm withdrawing it. But as per your convenience, so US market also very worthy. If you invest for long term, you can consider it. Okay. So I'm entering it here 2390. You can see the amount can be withdrawn only 2,05,000 rupees. 4,000 or 5,000 rupees they will be taking it as a transaction charges, currency exchange, all those platform charges will be there, right? So after that you need to continue it. Yeah, I don't want to give in a fractions. I will be taking 2390, then I will be continuing it. You can see 2 lakhs 5,500 rupees will be credited to my account, Indian bank account. I'll be showing the exact proof also. Just wait for till the end so that you'll come to know whether I'm genuine or simply for any some of the members will be thinking that uh, I'm not genuine. I have given a OTP which I received to my mobile number, and you can see your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. So it will take 2 to 3 days, business days to get my money into my Indian bank account. Okay, I'll be going to transaction history. You can see it here. Again, I'll be clicking on the details. Yeah, you can see these are the details. Okay, so yeah, it is approval by vested finance. They will be sending it to Drivewealth. Then once Drivewealth is approved, then our money will be credited. Yeah, as a proof, you can see that 2 lakh 4,000 rupees, 700 4,713 rupees is credited. Thank you.